Hello, everybody. Just a quick tip here, really short video, shorter than usual, but I have seen so many people struggle with this and the fix is so simple. I had to share with you guys. So, many people use cinnamon. I like cinnamon a lot, and people run out of space here at the left here, okay, at the left, where people put their shortcuts. So this is my shortcuts. I'm showing you guys because this is just not any secret at all. So these are my shortcuts, and people run out of shortcut space here. How can you sort this? Well, it's as simple as you click here, you see the arrows for the resizing, and you stretch or you shrink, stretch and shrink, stretch and shrink. It's just such an easy fix. I mean, people struggle a lot with this, and I see people suggesting, well, go to the this file, go to that file, edit this file, edit the X. It's not really necessary these days. You just hover here, you see the arrows with the resizing option exposed, and you just drag this over and get the space you want. I like to have it slightly arranged where the bar doesn't show, and there you go. So there you have it. This is how you can easily get more space for your favorites in your Cinnamon Start menu. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.